This video will show how to troubleshoot an error 29 on a Precor treadmill. This testing can be very dangerous if performed improperly. Without basic electrical knowledge and safety precautions, do not attempt this testing. Have someone qualified do the testing for you if needed. Error 29 on a Precor treadmill means the machine is drawing too much current. The console will show this code and stop the machine to prevent damage to the electronics. We find the most common cause for this issue to be a badly worn belt and deck. To verify this, use a clamp-on style analog ammeter to test the input current of the machine while it is in use. Here we see what our machine shows with the analog meter and no user at 8 miles per hour. And now the digital meter. Be aware that values shown on digital meters can vary greatly due to the differences between digital and analog meter designs. This value, captured with an analog meter, is with a user at 8 miles per hour and our new belt and deck. 8 to 12 amp peaks are typical with a user and a new belt at this speed. Peaks above 15 to 20 amps indicate a badly worn belt and deck in need of lubrication or replacement. This value is with a user at 8 miles per hour and our new belt and deck using the digital meter. After replacing your belt and deck, it is wise to take a reading of what the amp draw is for future reference. Another fault is the neutral wires are shared on multiple outlets. To verify this, measure from the line contact of one outlet to the neutral contact of another outlet. If AC line voltage is present, the outlets have shared neutral lines. Move the machine to an isolated and dedicated circuit or have a licensed electrician rewire the outlet to be an isolated and dedicated circuit. Is the facility powered by a generator, or does the location frequently change from utility power to a backup generator? The only fix for this scenario is an IFT drive from Precor designed specifically for generator power. The drive motor could also be shorted or drawing extra power. To test this, in most cases, requires a known good motor to be substituted for testing unless the error is displayed on initial power to the machine. If this is the case, disconnect the motor to rule it out by doing the following. Turn off the power switch or unplug the machine from power. Remove the hood. Disconnect the wire harness of the motor. The motor will plug in on the lower board at the connection marked output. It is this 6-pin connector on our machine. Plug power back into the machine and/or flip on the power switch. If the error no longer displays, the motor is bad. If the error displays again, the motor is not the fault. Also, the lower board or IFT module could be shorted somehow, causing the extra draw of current. This requires a known good IFT module be substituted for testing. This completes our video about error 29 on a Precor treadmill. Thanks for your support during our more than 20 years in the business.